This week we finished our first round of matches. This month we've been doing a tournament, 16 players, doing 1v1 best of 1 matches over on our Discord. So I want to make a video to quickly go over the highlights. We played online, going best of 1 using Tabletop Simulator and Card Games IO. All players start with a little avatar, illustrated by me. Every match they win, their avatar will become more involved and more detailed. So, let's go through the matches. First match was JC using a sci-fi deck to control Andrew's revival strategy, earning them a spot in round 2. Also announcing that this is the deck they're going to play for the rest of the tournament, if players want to try to plan around it. Second match was D Major, using a control deck, barely able to stabilize, versus Uriah's hybrid graveyard aggro deck, earning D Major his spot in the next round, proving to be a player you don't want to count out. Round 3, Levi using a tragedy deck versus Detour's aggro deck, both players having very rough opening hands. Alas, Levi was able to gain the advantage, even stealing some of Detour's characters, allowing him to progress to the next round. Round 4 was me. I went in with a mixed deck of adventure, mystery, and tragedy against Maxwell's red deck, and I was able to collect victory, also locking in my deck for the rest of the tournament for players to design around. Sadly, round 5 was a forfeit from Huis due to scheduling conflict, letting Late Night move on to the next round begrudgingly. Round 6 actually was the earliest match, had some guy using a horror fantasy tragedy deck, defeating John's blue sci-fi deck, allowing some guy to move on to the next round, being rewarded by a beard color change for his avatar. Round 7 was almost a mirror match, with both players putting a twist on their horror decks, Wazelle being able to secure a victory with some well-timed card play and tactical considerations. Last but not least was Comet's red deck, defeating Kudo's homebrew concoction. Comet was able to burn out his opponent in the end, allowing him to advance. With these matches over, we'll be moving on to round 2, entering this next week. Next week's video, I'll be posting recorded highlights of the matches. If you want to watch them yourself, participate in discussion, or even learn about the next tournament, you can join the Discord, link in the description, and I will see you in the next world.